Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone wallpaper turns black issue on iPhone. So guys, if your iPhone wallpaper is turning black, there are a few things you can try to fix the issue. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. This is a simple fix that often resolves many issues on your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. So slide the power to right to power off. So after restarting your iPhone, the next solution is check your wallpaper settings. So guys, go to settings, wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper and select a new image to use as your wallpaper. If the issue persists, try choosing a different image and see if it works. So after this, the next solution is disable reduce motion feature. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, go to motion, and here is the reduce motion feature. So guys, if this is enabled on your iPhone, make sure that is turned off. Sometimes this feature can cause issues with your wallpaper. So turn off reduce motion on your iPhone and then go back. And then after this, the next solution is reset your iPhone settings. If none of the above setups work, you can try resetting your iPhone's settings. This will reset all settings to their default values, but it will not erase your data. To do this, go to settings, go to general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode, tap on reset all settings. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So guys, after this, the next solution is update your iPhone software. So check if there is an available software update and install if it necessary. Updating to the latest software can fix bugs and issues that may be causing the problem. So for this, go to settings, go to general, go to software update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest version. So guys, if none of the above stuffs work, you may want to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.